Welcome to today's video.
Hello everybody, I'm here at Potawatomi Hotel Casino. I'm going to play Ultimate Firelink. This one is River Walk. And I put it on a really high angle on here because of all the LED lights. I'll show you. Hey, I don't think you want to see that. Once they got all these LED lights in the ceiling, it's the best I can get it. Yeah, let's see what we can do on here. So our bankroll is going to be $60. And let's see what we can do. I like starting out on nickels. Starting with $1. Here we go. So on this one, obviously you need the free games, 3 in the middle, all the same. All these slots are the same way. You need 3 in the middle to get the free games. The candle, petal, flower, whatever you want to call it thing, that one is wild. And then you need the 4 fireballs to get into the hold and spin. And I just thought I'd let you know too, if you're ever here at Potawatomi Hotel Casino in Milwaukee, just come by me and ask me. I should have a wristband on me. You can get one for nothing. I hand them out to everybody. Feel free to come up here even if I'm taping. I can always stop the video and start it back up. It's no big deal. So if you're down here, stop down and pick up a wristband. If you happen to see me down here. Finally I got one. I don't know, it's 3 Sundays in a row I haven't had the free games, I don't think, yet. Alright, what do we want to do? You see the multipliers up there, what they are. Yeah, I would, but I don't like doing it. I usually like doing 7 because you're guaranteed the multipliers and you can trigger too. Yeah, I know mystery could be good. Somebody here is telling me to do mystery, but not today. I think I'm going to do 7. I usually do this one because you get better times amount. Good luck. Back you up a little more here so you can see. I don't like backing up too much because you get all the people on the side over here. And then I gotta edit that out. One more spin. There we go. Let's see what that one's gonna be. 50 bucks on over 50 bucks on that hit alone. Well, I'm not going to complain on that at all. Zoom me back in, so I don't want to be getting all these people in here. Sorry about the short interruption. Do me a favor, check to see if you're still subscribed. If you are, thank you for subscribing. And if you're not, please hit that subscribe button and then click that bell and select all notifications so you don't miss out on any of my videos. So, somewhere around 75 or 80 bucks, I believe. $84.50. Already a winning stream already. Let's see if we can get another bonus in here. Here we go. Do our 3 backups for sure on here. So if you watch my channel a lot, I usually like to change my denomination afterwards unless it's active. I didn't get anything. So I think I'm going to go to dimes a couple times. See if that wants to do anything. Minimum bet, $2. Right now, we're already doubled our money. Sure showing those free games a lot on this though. I'm gonna play it down to 100 on here. Hopefully we don't get that far and we hit something. Just need one good line hit or get into the hold and spin. Oh, just missed it by one. You know, it does not like dimes. And no matter what, I'm going to end it at 80 bucks. Let's try. Let's go back to nickels. Minimum bet $1. Let's see if maybe it wants to give us the hold and spin now. Well, $7 on that one. Alright. Let's just try pennies. Let's do $1 to second bet up. Definitely am not giving it all back. I'm going to take my $20 profit for sure or more. Little something there. Come on. Oh, $10 ball would have been nice. Do it. Two more. Oh. Alright. Let's go to 2 cent minimum bet $1. And play it down to 80 bucks, and that'll be it. Unless we hit something. Come on, fireballs. Bring all 3 of them with that 4th one. Dang it. Yeah, I was wishful thinking to get it twice. Never know. Alright, let's finish out minimum bet 50 cents. 4 more spins. Last spin. Alright, at least we got a nice bonus in there. Brought us back up. And we ended up with $20 profit on here. Alright, we'll see you on the next one.